How's it going, guys? The One-Handed Wonder here, real soon. So we're looking at my prize that I won from Jeremy Aquatics. We got the Frugal plant tweezers here. That ought to be nice. I don't know how to use none of this stuff. We got the scissors. And we got a bottle of Prime. Never can have too much Prime. That's everything, guys. Make sure it says here. Let me set you guys down. Oh, okay. Little note here. Congrats on winning the giveaway. Hope these tools come in handy and get well used. I'm sure they will be, Bob. Appreciate it, Jeremy. Thank you. Hope you guys have a good one. Catch you later.